Hi everyone, thanks for watching. Today we're going to do a taste test on this Gavalia cappuccino. It looks like the kind of coffee, like the way the box is. It looks like it's one of those things where you need a special coffee maker with a pause, but it says you don't need that at all. You get 5 here, and then measuring cup, and the instant coffee, and the instant creamer. This brand is really good for having great chocolate. Let's see how they do on their cappuccino. Ooh, I like the milk packs because the milk packs are really thick. No, my serving cup is actually, this serving cup right here is actually small. I'm going to replace it because they want us to put 8 ounces of the hot water to here. That's for the instant coffee espresso. And then we must dump it into a cup. Let's go to 4 ounces of hot water to stir in the cappuccino creamer packet. So this is probably going to make a pretty good cup. A 12 ounce cup. And that espresso is so fine. It's like baby powder. Like dust, like coffee dust. Gavalia. The fancy brand. I always think Gavalia is one of those, is a fancy brand. I love coffee and by the sound of this, it smells like very weak coffee. Still going to try it, but I can tell that this will taste like watered down coffee. Okay, got the creamer in there, and it's making like a popping noise. Okay everyone, there it is. And it's not that foamy, so if you have a milk frother, I would use that instead of just pouring straight in there. Well, I'm going to give it a try. I tried it and I think it could be better if you just do 4 ounces of water and 4 ounces of the cream, or if you have a little side shot of some strong coffee that you brew in the fridge too. So thanks for watching this video, and I hope you liked it. Bye!